Hello and welcome to the video for the week of May 3rd. Please keep in mind as we very quickly approach the end of the school year that you want to be completing any late or missed work. Okay. For this week, we will be being able to solve a quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. So the first thing that you will see here is that we have 4 different videos. We will start with what is the quadratic formula, tells us what it is and when we use it. And then you can see that there are 3 steps. Please make sure that you view all 3 videos before moving on to the formative assessment. It actually takes you through each step of the quadratic formula, and then the 3rd video gives you several different examples to view of the entire formula being used. Okay, so please make sure that you view all of these and work along with the problems before moving on to the formative assessment. Speaking of the formative assessment, we have it right here. There are 10 problems on it. They are all solved by quadratic formula. And then if we are having some questions, we know that we have several Zoom sessions here that we are able to attend, or like always, you can Canvas message me. When you feel confident with the material, make sure that you go and do your summative assessment. Remember that both our formative and our summative are due on Monday, May 10th at 9 a.m. Please message me if you have any questions.